selfie.
Sup team. We out. Ben's back up here. Up from the Timaru. Hey. We're out in the backcountry. Fucking crazy. We got trees all fucking through the river. We haven't been here since New Year's a year ago. So yeah. We did plan to come here for New Year's again, but it was shit, you know, the weather. Typical. It's like opening day, you know. So now here we are. We thought we'd make another video since we're here. And
it's flowing.
It's flowing. It was a bit high yesterday and a bit dirty yesterday, and we had a good little session yesterday evening on the worms. On the worms. But it dropped down about another foot, but it's still a bit coloured, so yeah. We'll see how the day goes. But there's always heaps of fish in here, so a lot of little ones, but you find the odd big ones. So enjoy the day. There should be lots of fish, and ciao.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
I reckon over here should hold a couple. Oh, that was something. Fish eat. Oh, there's a big fish over there. He's chasing it. Good fish. Got him. He was up on the surface. It's a good one. That was so good. That was dope. He was sitting up on the surface, man. Just came chasing. That's a good fish. Sight fishing, man. Oh, I lost him. He was pretty good too. I freaking lost him. Another nice pocket to fish. There he is. Pocket water. It's all about the pocket. It's all about the pocket today. Cool little fish. Gone. Number 2.
Don't think it's happening here. That I'd see that. Oh, fuck off, eh? Found one. There they are. There's a fish. What was that on? Oh, the leggy. Yeah.
Might be a bit funny. I don't know.
Little fish, Pierce.
Little fish.
There, nice. Cicada again, bro. Cicada. I don't need a dropper, I just catch it on cicadas. It is.
When the fish don't want your nymph in the deep, fast, murky water, so they just eat your frickin' cicada. Get the net cam going, mate. Nice. Good little fatty. He destroyed it. It's gone. Nice.
Lovely little cicada rainbow. How good. Sweet. Heavy.
Yep.
Lovely. Cheers, guys. Cheers, love. There you go. There you go.
I need to get this guy a little more.
It's a good fish.
Yeah.
You didn't bother to get the eat. Didn't get any footage.
I got a cicada fish.
You got a cicada fish. Wow, no proof, mate. No proof. No one's seen it. Oh! Bouncing off the rim job. Woo! Oh, good fish there. Oh yeah.
Cool.
Oh good, bro. Send it.
Hi, Felicia. Man.
Wasn't fucking hindsighting.
Oh, no.
Oh man.
That's exactly what I just did.
Oh no. Forgot to record. Another good cicada eat, another good rainbow.
Really nice fish on the cicada.
Oh, he's strong. Might have
Oh, yeah, well. Oh, he's angry, man. Oh, that's a good fish. Nice, bro.
Right. Cool little jack on the cicada. Pretty happy with that. Nice.
Dope.
And he is ready to fucking. Nice, bro.
Nice.
Yep. Yep. Oh, you're not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, he's just going to muscle him. Muscled. Oh no. Once again, we've missed the
Nymph.
little rainbow. Oh, yeah, first nymph fish for me today.
Leggy nymph.
Oh, look at nymph. Feisty.
Feisty.
These things are little killers. Well, I'm not.
Get it?
Have a little rainbuck.
Yeah. Cool little fish.
Little fish, he says.
Fuck, they're angry.
They are, man. Those little ones are always so angry. Nice. Nice. Well done, buddy.
Thought that thing was a big brown.
Oh, big brown.
Oh. Yeah, sure, there's one
I
there.
know, right? And this fucking. Yep, there we go.
That's
Oh, that's a good fish.
That's a good fish. That's a fucking good fish.
There we go. Nice rainbuck.
Just as I say, surely.
Surely there's one there. There is.
There sure fucking is one.
Oh shit, we're going.
Dill's just hooked a good fish up in the edges.
Someone dug me.
He's on the leggy nymph. He's gonna smoke you. That's a nice jack.
Oh, there we go.
That's a beautiful fish. That's a great fish. Here we go. There's snags in there, bro. Oh, going for a jump, are we? Yeah, that's a good fish. He's gonna go. One more jump. I can feel it coming. Oh, snag, snag, snag. Oh, it's a good jack. So that's the fish of the day.
It's better.
Yeah. Good fish. Gotta love those out of this river. Net cam.
Hello.
Hello. Nice, bro. It's a goodie.
Right. Sweet fat jack on the leggy nymph. Can't complain, can't complain. Happy as.
Good fish. Really good fish.
Beautiful.
Would not be complaining.
Yeah, bro. Man.
That is dope. Cicada. Cool. Cicada fish.
Hey, I said risk it, and bam! He was on. Nice little rainbuck. Oh, good rainbuck. Nice. Woohoo!
Super strong.
Nice work, bro. Nice work. Yep.
Oh. Rondo!
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Well done, mate. Nice, bro.
None of us seen that having a fish on it, but here we are. Good rainbow.
That is a good day. Right on the left, eh?
Yeah, man. It's a good fish.
Angry man.
Smoking you.
Glad to get one out of here.
Yeah, that was cool. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I fly fish for real. Fuck's sake, please. Come on. And you get. There you go. Bloody good.
On the herring copper.
Here and cop.
Straight up in here. Nice.
Cool, man. Sweet fish. Pew pew. Nice. Big holes.
Many of those guys around today.
There's a lot of rainbows like that around today, eh? It's
average size.
yeah, not bad, not bad.
Brown, yeah.
Not bad.
We hope to do one there.
Yeah.
Almost lunchtime, mate.
It is. It's 12 o'clock.
Oh, fuck, I thought it was a ground for a second.
So did I. I was like, oh, yep, that's us.
Yeah. So you can come, mate. One cast, eh? Yeah.
Oh, I'm not that good.
Scooped it. That's a nice fatty, man.
Good, yeah,
It's a good fish. Yeah.
Nice rainbow. Good quality. Good condition. Ready to go. It's on. Quick lunch break team. Packed full of meaty and cheesy goodness. Yep. Fucking. Oh shit. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh no.
Yeah.
Of
course they will.
Fuck it, he's got a doobie. He's miles away. Oh. We're almost back.
Backing.
Not quite backing, but the blue part of the backing is flying off.
Yeah.
Whee! Bring him back. Oh, fucking he's got him. Come on. There we go. He's not having a bar.
Yeah. Feisty
So
little,
oxygenated.
yeah.
So vigorous. So fisherous.
It's a brown.
Bloody good.
Beautiful.
Lovely. Healthy as hell.
Nice.
Nice, that's how we like it.
Next minute, it was a rock.
Yep.
That was a cool one. Saw a bit of colour there. Oh, shit.
Oh, Jumperillo.
Jumperillo.
Hey?
Just chilling.
It's chilling.
I'm happy with that.
Chilling like a villain.
Right.
Oh! Fuck. Oh! Oh, he's taking your line.
God damn.
Oh! Oh! Skull dragon. Beautiful.
There it is. Oh, how good. How's that? Mate, does anyone tell you fish like Jack Sparrow? Oh, why is the rum gone?
Rum, my friend.
Yeah.
Got cracking last night.
Yeah.
Got me pirating. Oh.
He's going.
Oh.
He's going. Holy shit. These guys have a lot of grunt for their size in this current and this oxygenated fresh rainwater. Nice.
Little
fish.
tiny papa rainbow. Hundreds of those around. Oh, no, buddy. No,
Not the bank.
There
Here you go.
There you go. Oh, thank you.
Done.
Sure.
Number 42.
40 fucking fuck those. Eh? No idea.
Got him.
Oh, spinny reel bears. Oh, he's going. Oh. Winding. Oh. Oh, good fish. Nice. It was a sick eat too.
Yeah.
Smashed it, eh? Didn't even have to wait for the old God Save the Queen to strike. It just had it, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh man, you might have to go down there with him. Oh no, he's alright. He's just there. Nice. Time to wrestle that bugger in the net, mate. Nice. Oh, fat fish. Nice fish. Oh no, that's tui. That was a tui, that one. Doot, 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 doot. Yep. Whoop, there it is. Bring him down, eh? No, this way. This way. Don't spook the rest of
That's a
we all know there's about 5 more of them.
yeah. The weather's come pretty nice. Weather came nice.
What a bag.
Blue skies. Lots and lots of fish around. Dry drop of life. Getting railed.
Oh! Whoop. Oh, there we go.
Oh. Fuck's sake, still.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. Oh no.
Fatties, eh? Yeah, good. Happy?
Got him?
Oh, belly flops. Got Ben on the classic stage. Says it's like fishing with a feather. Loves it. About to crack a fatty. Yep.
Oh, it feels so fucking small. Oh, it's not. Holy shit.
Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's a good fish.
That's actually a proper fish. Oh, hell. Oh, my. That's
Oh,
decent.
my.
That's a good fish. That's a good fish.
Yeah, they are, mate. Pretty fresh rig, that. Oh.
Hold it up and everything.
He's a nice fish, man. Little mark on his ass, by the looks of it.
Yeah.
It's okay. They're good.
You got that same number?
Yeah, bro.
Of course. It's going in.
It's going in. She said, nope. Oh no! There you go, mate. There you go.
Super nice.
Nice. Good fish.
Yeah.
Whoop.
Don't just sit by though.
There you go. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. She's a nice fish, man. How fucking good is that?
That's pretty good.
What a stunning place to catch fish.
Squeaking. Yep. There it is. Nice. What is it? Little rainbuck.
No way. Fuck's sake. Upside down rainbow. Gone.
Nice. Another hookup on the cam.
Yep.
First cast.
You were sleeping bears.
I was like, oh yeah, that's a little rainbow. Oh dear.
Oh, look at that. Love that shit. These stroppy little rainbows, eh, man? They're good fun.
Not many fish do that.
Nah. These little buggers do. Oh, oh.
This ought to be fun.
You left too much line out. Oh no, yeah, you got it.
Little
Beautiful.
ball.
Clean little footballs, eh?
Gone.
Nice, mate, nice. See if there's another one.
Hard out.
Through there. Right. Right from there.
Oh, you're on. Oosh. Yep. He's on. I think smallest fish. Yeah. Oh shit.
I have one, but come off.
Oh yeah. Go on.
As you're seeing, small little rainbow.
Yeah. Bye.
Yep, cicada eat. Come up right up from out of the depths for that. And just, whoop, I'll have that cicada right there, thank you. Good fish. We'll try rustling to the net. Oh. Oh, he's fighting hard. Super hard. Oh, shoot. Oh, he's not having a go of it. Uh-oh. Nice. Good job.
The last rainbow.
One last stroppy rainbow, eh? Nice work, mate. Nice work. Oh, he's righty. Just a little bugger. I'm gonna put him in my lap at his right. Nice. Oh, he's up in the trees up there.
And he's gone.
Missed the fish, but he's a tui. Nice. Wish I had the big lens from your camera. I could have got some nice photos of him.
Your eyes on.
Yeah, bro. See the white fluff in the tree up there, mate? Oop, there he goes. Garden.
Rainbow.
Nice, mate. Our team. Caught this last run. Whew, should be a hell of a day. No brownies for a change. It's weird up here. We normally always get some brownies. We did see 2. There was a big one sipping in a pool. We will check that pool on the way back down. So it may happen. Well, if it did happen, you've already seen it because this is the outro. Anyway, Ben's just having a plug up here. I'm fucked. This is I guided on Wednesday. That was up another big backcountry mission, so that's always a good fucking, what do we do, 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. pretty much that day, so it was a big day. And then yesterday me and Ben went for a good walk as well, and a good fish, on two rivers, this one and another one. And then today we've been up since 6:30 and rocking it up here all day, so yeah, it's catching up with me. It's good. I enjoy it. After fishing. But nah, cheers for watching. Stay in touch. We will be pumping a few videos. I've got so much to edit. I don't know, might have edited a bunch by the time you see this one anyway. Another magical spot. And obviously I'm available for guiding over summers and a little bit of winters. Mainly summer though. So yeah, get in touch if you want to do a mission like this. And I'd look forward to taking you out. Alright, cheers for watching. Catch you on the next one. Chirp.